Click on the link below to see price. BLUETTI AC50S Solar Generator. The BLUETTI AC50S portable power station is a lightweight portable charger that can recharge a variety of portable devices. The power station features a capacity of 500 Wh/135135 mAh and an output voltage of DC 12V. It also includes an LCD display that shows the battery level and charging status. The BLUETTI AC50S portable power station is an excellent choice for emergency power needs, camping, and other outdoor activities. Its 500 Wh capacity and 11 output ports are perfect for running most electronics and appliances while outdoors. This portable power station also includes a 120-watt monocrystalline solar cell. This cell has a higher conversion rate than many standard market cells, ensuring a longer lifespan and higher electricity production. The BLUETTI AC50S portable power station features a modular design that allows it to accept as many as 4B300 battery modules in one unit. IT can even accept solar charging input. It's available in several different colors. It is ideal for car campers and can also be used for emergency power at home. If you have solar panels, you should pair the AC50S with one of those. It is durable and will last for years. The BLUETTI AC50S is an ultra-portable power station with an impressive range. Its dual-color LCD screen displays the remaining battery capacity in 20% increments and reports total wattage coming in and going out separately. It also features a bewildering number of sockets. The AC50S power station has several outputs, including a 12V DC socket, a DC cigarette port, for mini fridges or air compressors, and 4 USB ports. This allows you to charge just about any electronic device. It also has an enhanced digital display to indicate the battery capacity. The BLUETTI AC50S portable power station is a compact, lightweight, fuel-free alternative to gasoline backup generators. It can run 12V DC appliances without any reduction in power and is ideally suited for camping or other outdoor activities. Its power source is compatible with a wide variety of devices, including laptops, cameras, and drones. It comes with a service card, enabling you to contact the company in case of any issues with the product. The AC50S features dual charging ports, so you can use either a car lighter or a power outlet to charge it. It can also use 120W solar panels to cut the charging time to about 5 hours. Click on the link below to see price.